Hello and welcome back, and today we're going to be unboxing the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti, which is a card that releases today. It is available for purchase today. So today we're going to be checking it out. Let's open this. This is a long-standing dream of mine to get one of these cards before they release. So now the question is, how do I open this without messing up the box? Here we go. Let's see if we can open the sucker up. Oh man. Put that sucker down there for now. Open up the side here. Well, maybe in here. I don't think they really offer drivers anymore. What do we have in the box here? We get some... You even have a light strip optional syncing. So, not familiar what this is, but put that back there. I think y'all are here for something else though. This box is very, very nice. A little damage there. Here it is. Monstrosity. The monstrosity. Oh my gosh. I forgot the best way to get this out. Oh my gosh. Wow. Very large. Look at the size of that. It's like my whole forearm. And we have that wonderful pin connector that we saw in a whole bunch. 3 slots wide. I believe this is supposed to be the RTX 3080 12GB, which then was renamed to the Ti variant. But holy crap. You look at the size of that card. Overall, we have some very, very nice stuff. So I think we should do the peel now, the ceremonious peel. Okay, there's the card. It looks like we have a GPU bracket to help with sagging issues. Pretty solid there. We also have our lovely adapter that has some slight issues. I'll try not to bend this one. Or these are notoriously bad for having these issues. We can probably test these, but this looks like, yeah, it's the stock one from Nvidia. So I wonder if these will have the same issues. We have what looks like a RGB breakout. That's the card itself. Wow. So on the side here we have our, let's see, dual BIOS. An option for the RGB LED systems set up there. Cables there. Yeah, you can just see on the side from that side profile. Absolutely massive. Well, you guys will have to check out the other video about the review because we're going to go do a huge in-depth review. This is just a little unboxing. Make sure you check out the other video in which we give this a full review, give this a full test down. But overall, very, very nice. Pretty big. But thank you very much for watching, and check out the review video. Should be up here.